Here's a walkthrough on how I make double-sided bookmarks. Take that front part of your bookmark, copy it, then paste it onto an 8.5 by 11 design. Make sure it's centered right there. Then you will go back and you will get the back side of your bookmark, go ahead and copy it, and then paste it right onto that design. Put it right on top of that front part of the bookmark. Make sure it's all lined up. Rotate it negative 180 degrees. Go to your transparency, lower it just to make sure you're on top of it, and then put your transparency back up to 100. Go ahead and grab them, duplicate them, and put them side by side, and then you will continue duplicating them until you fill up the page. Once you fill up the page, you're going to center it. So highlight all of them and make sure everything is perfectly centered. Then you are going to go up to this duplicate page and duplicate it. You're going to highlight the top one and you are going to delete all of the top designs so you are only left with that design right there, the front of your bookmark. On that first page, you don't need to worry about deleting the underneath layer because only the top layer will print. So now you're just going to save it and then we're going to print it. So we are going to go ahead and make sure it's scaled to 100 and you're going to print out just the front part of the bookmark first. So let's go ahead and send that to our printer. Once it is done printing, you will then flip your page just like I'm doing right here and you will put it in the rear feeder or the cassette, however you are printing it. So now we are going to print the back side. And we are going to do the same thing. You're going to take off that front page. You only want to print the back. And then you're going to scale it to 100 and then click print. Once this side has printed, you will remove it from your printer and you will have the front and the back. So now it's just choppy. And then once it is done, you will have a beautiful bookmark front and back.